Well, well, well. It appears that I have been right all along. Now, I'm not sure if any of you have noticed on my TikTok, I posted a video back in November when I said that the Sunbreon, aka the Umbreon EX SIR from Prismatic Evolutions, was going to sell for more than the Umbreon. I said, if you thought that the Umbreon was gonna be the best, the Moonbreon from Evolutions, no, not Evolutions, Evolving Skies was gonna be the best Umbreon card, then get ready for the Umbreon EX SIR. And nobody believed me. I was relentlessly bullied in the comments. That video got over 180,000 views, over 300 comments, and most of them were negative, attacking me, being like, oh, you don't know what you're talking about, whatever. I'll show a montage of them right now. Umbreon hype is the most pointless thing ever. No. LOL. Not gonna be worth more. LOL. Nah. FUCK these ugly cards will never be the real Moonbreon. You obviously don't know why the Moonbreon was so valuable. That will never happen again, and this card is gonna be easier to get. Stop posting SHIT without info you clearly don't know about. Yeah, no. This aged bad. Dumb take for real. It's not gonna be anywhere close. Laughing emoji. The alts are dumb ASF, I hate Terra BS, and so do most. But that aside, I have for you a pre-sale listing sold of the Umbreon EX SIR, aka the Sunbreon, which is a nickname that I came up with, selling for $1,769. Now, obviously, I think this price is going to come down because we all know how release works. Usually the pre-release prices are way inflated than what they actually are post-release, but I'm not too sure if it's gonna go that much more down, because we all know that this happens with every set, but it didn't really happen too badly with Surging Sparks, right? We had the Pikachu that was going for 600 and it dropped down to 430, so we didn't see that big of a decrease from Surging Sparks. But now we have a sold listing for almost $1,800 for this Umbreon EX SIR. And I can't even begin to describe what in the world, what in the world you're thinking buying this. We're what, 4 days away from release? You're buying this 4 days away from release. Okay, great. Or 5 days, because it sold yesterday. 5 days away from release, you're buying this. I'm not too sure if this is a, an instant buy, right? I'm not sure that you're going to scoop this up immediately. I think that you wait until release prices, and then if you want to buy the single, sure, you can swipe it up after post-release prices come in, and they kind of bring down that market price a little bit. But this is a little something crazy. I just had to talk about it because there's no way that you should be buying this right now. But the fact that someone did, and the fact that now the baseline market price for this card is $1,800 is ridiculous. And I better be owed many apologies for what was said about me in the comments of my own TikTok for calling this card a, the biggest Umbreon card ever released, right? This is absolutely gonna take over the Moonbreon at some point in time, because the Prismatic Evolution's pull rates might be worse than Evolving Skies. They might be worse. And if they are worse, then oh boy. That card is absolutely going to be more than the Moonbreon. And it already is. But we haven't seen the post-release prices bring that price down. It may hang around 1,400, 1,300, I'm not sure. But as more product gets bought up, that price is going to inflate. So, yeah. It's not going to be post-release price dip forever. That's going to go up at some, maybe a couple months from now, when a lot of products have been bought up and people are opening it and whatever, that's all fine, okay? I think that you should buy this card raw. If you want to like spend a lot of money on this card, you should buy it when the post-release dip happens, okay? That's the best time to buy this card. Not now, not 4 months from now, right when the post-release dip happens. Because that post-release dip will not stay the same forever, okay? This card is going to go back up. So, yeah. I just wanted to hop on here and say that I am owed apologies, and this card is going to be insane. So, yeah. That's all I need to say. Check me out on Drip. I stream over there. Join my Discord. Link is in the description. I've got a ton of investing stuff over there. Brand new community I'm launching. It's called Elite 4 Collectors. It's great. We could talk about it in there. And, yeah, this card is insane. So, I will see you all in the next one.